yeah, she say my name. Beat her from the back, man could tell, yeah, she say my name.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee if you did not know already, and for today's video I'm bringing to you guys my Screw playlist. Now let me explain to you guys who are not from Houston or from Texas and don't know what Screw music is. It's basically when you hear a song and it's slowed down, like when they sound like this. Any of your favorite songs, just know that come from some Houston shit, and it was originated by this nigga named DJ Screw, and it's been going on for years and years and years. So I like to listen to regular songs like that. So this is just a few of my songs I like to listen to. This is not even my whole playlist because I couldn't even fit it in this video. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna edit this video, but you know, I got the Easter pink behind me. I did like a purple eyeshadow, smoky eye look. But I just hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna probably be really chill to you guys. Some songs make me like really turn up because I like the way they sound, and then some just make me just chill out. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's something different. It's gonna display who I am as a person, like, because this is like my shit. Like I love Screw music. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. If you listen to Screw music and you feel me on this shit, then let me know in the comments. And if you have any song suggestions or album suggestions, because some albums even sound better to me Screw. Like I said, I couldn't fit everything in here because the video will be 55 minutes long and I'm trying to like cut my shit down. But yeah, so yeah, if you got any suggestions for me or any of your favorite Screw music songs that you want me to listen to, please, 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 I'm begging you, please let me know. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Okay y'all, one more thing before the video gets started, because I don't know if I didn't press record or the footage got deleted somehow, and I don't know, but I don't have no part of me putting on the eyeshadow. Like the video, well, my editing part, when I started editing, literally started right when I was done doing my eyeshadow. So I don't know what the fuck happened to it, and I don't want to just start the video right there because, you know, I had the nice little purple going on, you know, and I want you guys to see that part because it go with the theme of the video, you know, the lean, that drink, you know what I'm saying? So I really wanted you guys to see that part, so I'm gonna re-record that part for you guys, and then, you know, it'll look regular again. So
DJ J, slow down, buzzing. We ain't stopping. What?
If you listen to Screw music, you know that, man. I'm using the James Charles palette for my look. Shout out to my bitch Aura. And I'm gonna be using all of these colors. So these and these two colors to do my look, okay? We have to start off with March Madness because it's March. And has March been cute for y'all? March ain't been that cute. If you're wondering, I'm taking these two colors and packing them on my lid. I'm using a Morphe, a MAC 217 brush. In the club, rockin' with my niggas. I love rockin' on them chillers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear you. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's true, that's true. Going by my school. All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas. We gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Birds on my timeline, call it Twitter. I'm taking this color right here and I'm blending it in my crease. And I'm using a MAC 2. I don't know if it's 286 or 206 because it looked like it's scratched out, so I don't know.
Smoking loud, I ain't hearing you.
Kodak bring the noise. Period. Y'all, I only listen to Kodak Black Screwed. I can't listen to him regular. His voice bothers the fuck out of me. And like, I haven't really got into fat new Kodak. I really like old Kodak. That's just my preference. But I need to get into new Kodak to see if I like him. Cause I hear like he's woke. But low-key, y'all, I don't really like when artists get woke. I like them ratchet and reckless. That's what I like them. I don't like when they get mainstream. But I ain't tripping though. Like, I want people to be mainstream. R.I.P. Street. I'm taking this color, this light pink, and gonna kind of soften this out.
My friends, they killin'. All these hoes are killin'. Nigga came from a dope dealer. Dirt bike 4-wheeler. Come to the street, I'm peeling. Come to the street, I'm peeling. I might just lose the ceiling. I'm trying to grind up on a million. I might kill it if I feel it. Yeah, damn right, I kill it if she get it. Man, gotta sketch it. Take it and we flip it. Take it and we mix it. Bring it back 16 curves on the wall. Back 2 big, me pop like you know. Hold up, wait, know exactly how it goes.
Man, that's crazy.
But you can't do it like this. Full low diamond on both my wrists.
I miss my 2016 life. Don't y'all? That's why I listen to a lot of music from back then, because it still makes me happy. Because I'm just like, bro, I was so full of life.
You want a bad nigga, give me the scale. I go do the money the quickest. Meet me at the flying biscuits. Paul straight, not cricket. I heard you fuck nigga snitchy. I know the pussy nigga bitch.
All the motherfuckers throw with me, yeah, you know they throw with me. Young nigga grind, stay down from the bottom.
Young nigga stay down from the bottom.
At the motherfucking top, one nigga spot him. But your nigga talking crazy.
Shout out. Dancing on the pop. Papa shit, overrated vodka. Papa shit, overrated bands on the wall. Papa that shit, one papa my collar. You niggas talk.
Period.
You don't like it.
Nigga, get the bitch out, bitch, get the hype.
Pick the bitch out, yeah, the bitch got it like it. Can't do the motherfucker, can't say the way that I'm popping, all these niggas watching, all these bitches jacking, nigga wanna copy, you a carbon copy, pussy while you copy, trying to be like the boss, yeah.
Colorado on the ski, smoking like it's 420 out the P. Talk your shit, back roll. Talk your shit.
I can't forget that I was here. I just straight aside, separate, I skip side six. I'm trying to get up out the jets. I can't stay out this shit. Can't stay out this shit. Can't stay out the mix. I'm trying to keep everybody happy, but I'm just not hurt. And Lord knows that I'm blessed, but sometimes I need a beat, I need a beat. Who this the beat? Who made the beat? Give me the beat. I want the beat, feed it to me. I'm gonna eat it. She wanna see me, he wanna be me. Bitch, you ain't leaving. I gotta bleed it. She wanna geek, she wanna poop. He wanna beef, I wanna shoot. I got the piece, I got the juice, I got the beat, I got the boot. Who wanna boot?
Oh, damn. Y'all finna take a shot while I let my consider. I don't got none of this shit left, but I'm finna drink that stuff.
I ain't talking serious.
Oh my God.
All my niggas on them beans. We higher than Pluto B. We can't hit no licks, cause if no crackers get you, you gon' sing. If it come down to
I know what you gon' do. So homie, I ain't taking chances trying to fuck with you.
oh my God, that Kodak black.
We just so fucking cute. They know they can't see the black. Nigga, I'm that fucking dude. Period.
Pull up on a nigga.
Black and have a photo shoot.
They don't wanna hit the club with me.
And hit the photo booth.
They ain't really fucking with me.
They be showing face love.
They just wanna turn up with me. They just wanna hit the club. They ain't really with a nigga. They just wanna smoke my weed. They just wanna take a picture. They just wanna drink my lean. I be on that money shit. Nigga, this a money team. I be on that junkie shit. Nigga, I'm a money fiend. I was locked up in Virginia. Cause I hit for 30 G's. Once them crackers let me out, I got right back on my feet.
Period.
Tell me you count some chocolate. I need every nigga collar. Tell me you count some models.
Y'all, this my shit. I listen to this song every day. Y'all, this part is everybody's favorite part in the club. This verse. What you saying, boy?
I'm riding the rental car. The strap in the lap and the push in the pickle jar. The Draco will bother me. And all of these players around me, they under them. They're hustling the flow money. I got out of cash, but I thought the whole money. You know that's for show money. I'm still a street nigga, cop an old fellas. I'm smoking jet fuel. Just like your next move.
This is a classic, a screw classic for me. This whole just jam like Sa Baby. How the fuck you say his name? I love listening to him screw. And I'm telling you, y'all, if you never got your back blown out to some screw music, bitch, you sleep. I'm telling you, just try it. Just try it. Whatever your favorite album is, your favorite song, put that whole screw and let your man come over and give you that work. And you give him that work. And I'm telling you, bitch, you won't regret it. It just give you the vibes, like, woo! Yo, I'm hot. I'm hot as fuck.
She gon' blow me like a birthday. I ain't the kitchen like Mondays.
Suck a nigga dick for Sunday. These niggas can't compare to me. Period. I'm a real gangster, got them hitters right on side of me.
Chasing that money, I ain't been asleep in 3 days. Can't waste my time, I get that money cause I need it. Got all these hoes in here bleeding, yeah, them G-Way. I bet you ain't never met a nigga cut like me. We be them niggas, we ain't worried about nobody. I'm with my niggas, I want you to try to stop me. I'm a real gangster, got them hitters right beside me. Ran up that money, bitch, now I can say we poppin'.
Yeah.
We poppin'. Oh.
He had another artist I only listen to, but I don't listen to him regular.
She was telling me lies. I left and go back, that was time at the time. With the most I ever sold in my life. When these niggas be talking, they fuck on my mind. When it's wild, be screaming out through on you down. We gon' spin on your block when it's time for a ride. In the van with them 95 in the sky. Why they stepped on my nigga, I don't know why. But you know that it's up, ain't no way you can hide. If you book, you get bust, nigga, load up and ride. It's rock and roll. I can feel that fire burning inside and golden. It moves like an told. It got me high again. One in the hole. I'ma live my life like a good guy. Oh, my killer ain't gon' stop me. If coming, it's surprise me, yeah. Steady be dishing on smoke. I know I will make it to heaven. You know that they say we can go. Just tell me whenever you're ready.
and I smoke. I know I won't make it to heaven.
You know that it's safe, we can go. Just tell me whenever you're ready.
For anyone that's uncultured and don't know where Drake got November 18th from, it's this song. So if you're a Drake fan and you fuck with that song from back in the day, this is where he got it from. It's called June 27th by my nigga DJ Screw and a bunch of other niggas. Cutting hands with my boy J.O.E. Yeah, that nigga Joe. And hop up on the stage and never go ahead. Period. This like true H-Town shit. Yellow hole. By Carol, period. And some yams. Alright you guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's probably something different for different people, but I mean, this is just who I am, and you know, YouTube, I'm not on here to be like somebody else. This is just who I am. So hope you guys liked it. You got to know me, I feel like, a little bit better, because I'm telling you, I listen to this shit like on a regular, like in the daytime. So I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos and shit like that. I hope you guys have an amazing night, day, wherever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye you guys.